I'm Shannon, and I am at a creative cauldron, and I am going to do a very simple yet potent splitting of the storm. And so here we go. I'm going to invoke the ancient rhythmic cycle, alchemy of the elementals, the astrological archetypes, sacred feminine, sacred masculine, Venus, Juno, Fortuna, Vesta, Psyche, QE2, Nematona, archangels, angels, spirit guides, animal totems. So the four directions, spiritual allies, ancestors of the land. I invoke divine source energy. Though the weather is W, the V's split the storm. Venus and Vesta, Vesta and Venus, and the sacred feminine within. As above, so below, as within, so without. Protection, safety, wellness. Splitting the storm. V, 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 V. Argentum alchemy. Sekhmet Isis. Inanam. Alchemical garden. Invoking ancient power. Okay, Lord and Fauna. Magnetic attraction, energy vibration. Baby. Switching our so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you.